Hey guys, just got a delivery from Wurkkos and excited to get this opened up. Today, we're checking out the Wurkkos HD50. So let's see what comes in the box. First, you find the instructions, some extra gaskets, the head strap, the USB-C charging cable, and of course the light. So let's get this light in the head strap and then head over to the shop to test it out. Now that it's on, and maybe I'll wear this over my hat, we can check out how bright it is. The HD50 has 5 brightness levels in both flood and beam, and the option for a red light when camping to avoid bugs. It also has a magnetic base to be used hands-free in tight spaces. And that's it, a super solid headlamp that can be used as a standalone light. It's water resistant and rechargeable. Pick up yours at the link below, and as always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.